Okay, hi. Welcome all. Just let me know if I'm audible. Yes, hi everybody. Okay, hi. Hello Tanmay. Hello Karthik. Hi. Good morning Shantanu. Good morning Vivek. Yes, Suraj. Hi. Hi Soham. Okay, hello. Good morning. Good morning Parasar. Hi. Lakamwad. Hi. Hi Ganwat. Gadam. Hello. Hi. Okay. So good morning all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, any new resolutions for the new year? Any new resolutions? I think, according to me, what kind of resolution you should have is more proper study, more proper study with good results, so that you'll be set for your career. Yes. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, fine. Good morning. Good morning. At home. At home. Have to study more. Yes, exactly. Exactly. And see, I am willing to help you out in these cases. It's going to be very easy for us to study. Our frequency already matches. What we need is just practice, right? So tell me one thing. Have you gone through chemical effect videos? Yesterday, I had told you to go through the videos of this lesson, which has been already taken. Okay, so have you completed those videos? Have you gone through them? Yesterday, I had told you that already I have taught the topic. You can go through the videos which are present in our channel, on our channel. Okay, so I hope you have completed those, revised. Or should I put links in the this thing in the group? If you want, I can put the links as well. No issue. If that is what is required. Okay. Okay, fine. So what we will do is I will put some links of this particular videos. Okay, fine. So see, what we'll do is I will put the links in our group, okay, from where you can see those. And I hope, suppose let's say I will put that link also of the Menti quizzes, right? So we are our new courseware, new batch is going to start from 2nd January, 3rd January, sorry. So we had decided 3rd January as one of the probable dates on which we are going to start our new batch for science for class 8th, so that your preparation for science would get complete. Okay, science batch, and that would be starting, suppose let's say on 3rd January, and probably it will be in the evening. I just want, suppose let's say 30-45 minutes of your daily routine, not much, sometimes even less, but 30 to 45 minutes, which will ensure that your preparation is going on track. Fine. Okay, we will discuss what are the things that is going to be provided in this, but that is one of the new year gifts from my side. All you have to do is attend the sessions and take maximum advantage, so that your preparation of science would be better. Fine. New year gift. Okay, I hope that is fine with you. Okay, so good morning all. So let us start with today. We will be starting a new batch on 3rd January, so kindly do attend it properly. It will be taken in the evening. Fine. Okay, it will be taken in the evening, and so that your school timetable won't get disturbed, and you'll still be able to attend it. Fine. Okay. Sure. Now, can we start? Can we start now? Okay. So that part discussed now. Suppose. Okay. Can we start now our regular thing, our revision? Okay. So we have already seen, suppose let us say about conductors, right? Okay. We have already seen something about conductors. If you remember, we have already seen something about conductors yesterday, right? And there was a second category which we were calling insulators, right? That was another category of materials which we are calling insulators. Okay. Now, suppose let us say if I'm telling you that there is one another category which is similar to conductors, but the state of matter is different. Okay. If I'm saying there is a similar kind of, suppose let us say uh, one of the material which is exactly something like conductors and insulators, but they are in different state. Okay. They are in different state. So let me just give you the names for those. Okay, so that you can understand. One of those is called as electrolytes. One of those is called as electrolytes, and another one is called as non-electrolytes. Fine. Another one that is called as non-electrolytes. You just have to tell me now, as we have completed the topic. Yesterday only we have revised what are conductors, which allow electricity to flow through them, and insulators are also the same thing, which do not allow electricity to flow through them. Now, question is, then what are electrolytes? What are electrolytes basically? These are mostly conductors and insulators. They are the above category, like they are the main category. But a special category under conductors is nothing but electrolytes. Are you understanding? A special category, and this is for whom? For liquids basically. This is nothing but for liquids. Try to understand. This is a special category under conductors, and that is nothing but called as, these are liquids. These are liquids. So some of the liquids will allow electricity to flow through them, and some will not. Are you understanding? This is a special category under conductors and insulators. Electrolytes are nothing but conductors itself, but they are liquid in state. Basically, they are liquid in state, and liquid which allows electricity to flow through them. So they will allow. Let me just write it down there. These will allow. These will allows electricity. And the second one does not allow. Does not allow. Does not allow electricity. If you want to add the word flow, you can, but it allows electricity. The electrolytes, they are liquid in state but allows electricity to flow through them, while non-electrolytes are liquids which do not allow the electricity to flow through them. Are you understanding this? Okay. Okay. Can we have certain examples for these? Can we have certain examples for these? Special examples? Any examples for these? If you want to try. Okay, chalo. Examples of electrolytes. Example of electrolytes. If you want to give example of electrolytes, chalo, be fast. Can somebody give me examples for electrolytes? Be fast and tell me if somebody can give me examples for electrolyte examples. um okay. Okay, tap water. Okay, Gayatri, correct. Tap water and acids. Tap water, acids. See, electrolyte you can take any example. Acids, bases, you can take those as electrolytes. Acids, bases, bases. You can take those. Even salts, even salts. Okay. Short form you can remember as bus. ठीक है? Bus. BAS. ठीक है? Short form you can remember as bus. Are you understanding this? Bases, acids and salts. I hope it's clear. Okay, it's a very simple one. All you need to remember is bus. So B is nothing but base, A is nothing but acid, and your S is nothing but salts. Fine. A simple example. Okay, will you remember this? Will you remember this? Electrolyte examples are bus. That is base, acids, and salts. Tell me this. Okay. Okay. Fine. So, can I give you some another trick? So, will you please write it down? This one of the tricks in your book, so that it will be easy for you to remember this trick. Okay, one of the trick. Okay, I will give you some another examples for non-electrolyte also. Let us remember that as well. Okay, what about non-electrolytes? What about non-electrolytes? Okay, liquid which do not allow electricity to flow through them. Non-electrolyte examples. Okay, should I give you a trick? Let me know in the comment section. Should I give you a trick for this? Should I give you a trick for this as well? A very simple one for non-electrolyte. If you want, definitely I can give. Okay, tell me. Be fast. Okay, so one of the tricks for this is kadu. Okay, one of the tricks is kadu. ठीक है? KDU kadu. ठीक है? Well, the upper one is bus. The bottom one is kadu. So the non-electrolyte is kadu. Okay, can we have some? So let's say what is the meaning of this? Okay, should we go with this? Okay, so let us start with this. So what we are going for is kadu. So K is nothing but kerosene. K is nothing but kerosene. Do remember this? K is nothing but kerosene. Okay. And what is D? What is D? D means distilled water. D means what? Distilled water. And what is the meaning of U? Urea. What is the meaning of U? Urea. Okay. Written this one of the tricks in your book? Have you written it? Keep it with you so that it will be easy to remember. Right? Non-electrolytes kadu and electrolytes bus. Fine. It's so easy to remember, right? So easy to remember. Okay. Okay. Now, can we move ahead? Can you move ahead? Okay. Chalo, can we move ahead? Fine. Okay, so basically kadu, that is kerosene, distilled water and urea. Let me know if we can move ahead. Okay. Now let us discuss about water. Is water, so let's say a good conductor or not? Water, pure water. Okay? Let us discuss whether pure water can conduct electricity. Pure water is nothing but also called as distilled water. Always remember it is also called as distilled water, the purest form. We do not drink this. See, the kind of water we drink is, suppose let's say, added with some minerals. There are certain salts dissolved in it. We do not use this water. We cannot drink this. Okay, cannot drink it. Okay, and it is also a non-electrolyte. It is not an electrolyte. Electricity doesn't flow through this. It's a non-electrolyte. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, what about tap water? Tap water or the water which we use? Tap water which we use. Okay. So basically, we can drink this. We can drink it. Okay. Is the electrolyte or non-electrolyte? Yes. Tell me in the comment section. Write down the chat box. Tap water. What do you think? It's an electrolyte or not? Yes, definitely it is an electrolyte. Definitely it is electrolyte. Okay. Question is then what is the difference between pure water and tap water? See, technically tap water is nothing but pure water with some impurities. How do you get tap water? What is the tap water? Is nothing but pure water plus some impurities. Some impurities. Basically, it is impure water. Are you understanding? Whatever the tap water we are using, it's not the purest form. Purest water plus impurities. Okay, so basically, yes, correct. Gaurav, correct. Yes, Rohila, correct. Tanmay, correct. Suhani, correct. Gayatri, correct. Yes. Okay, Ambure, correct. Yes, exactly. Exactly, exactly. So this is the information we have gone with. Yes, exactly. Correct, correct. That is so correct. So correct. Now, can we move ahead? Can you move ahead? Hey, should I create such kind of pages for you? If you want, I can. Wherein, suppose, let us say it is easy for you to remember all these things. I can create such pages for you if you want. Let me know if such kind of pages if you need. Suppose, let us say wherein it is easy for you to remember the lessons, I can do that. Suppose in short. Okay, okay. Okay, now let us see the definition. Okay, fine. So I will try to create such pages, and those will be distributed. Suppose let us say from your second from our third batch. Okay, from 3rd January, whatever the batches we are taking in the evening, extra periods in that, I will give you such pages so that it will be easy for you to remember. Fine. Okay. Now for now, you tell me one thing. Suppose exactly that what is chemical effects of electric current. Obviously, I will create such pages. It will be easy for you to remember. But the next point we are going to discuss is chemical effects of electric current. If somebody can give me logic for this, chemical effects of electric current of electric current. Okay. If you can help me out for this, chemical effects of electric current. What is the meaning of this? Okay. Chemical effects of electric current is nothing but chemical changes. These are chemical changes. Basically, these are chemical changes. These are chemical changes that happen. कब होते हैं? That happen that happen when electricity flows through. When electricity flows through. Yes, tell me the definition in the comment section. These are the chemical changes that happen when electricity flows through. Flows through what exactly? Flows through conducting liquid, that is electrolyte. Chemical changes that happen when electricity flows through electrolyte. Through electrolyte. See, in the book they have said conducting liquids, and you know conducting liquids are nothing but electrolytes. So you can replace the word. You can just say chemical effects of electric current are nothing but the chemical changes which are happening, and that happen when electricity flows through a electrolyte. So if there is a liquid and electricity flows through it, so that means some chemical changes will be happening. That is nothing but called as chemical effects of electric current. That is exactly chemical effects of electric current. Okay, okay. So that is exactly a phenomena. That is exactly the phenomena. The changes. These are the changes. Okay. But we also might be having name for this chemical reaction. This is after all chemical changes, no? So can I just say it means chemical reaction? Basically, it means some kind of chemical reaction. See, if there are certain chemical changes which are happening when you are flowing some electricity through some electrolyte, it must be some chemical reaction, right? It must be some chemical reaction. It must have a name. Okay, so chemical reaction name. Do you know what is the name of this chemical reaction? If somebody can give me in the comment section, chemical reaction name. I told you, no, these are the chemical reaction which are happening. What we are going to call it? Electrolysis. The name of the chemical reaction is electrolysis. Write down in the comment section if you understand this. Okay, basically this is a chemical reaction name is electrolysis. Okay, electrolysis. Okay, do you know the meaning of this? Do you know the meaning of this? What exactly is the meaning of electrolysis? See, the meaning of electro is nothing but electricity. The meaning of electro is electricity. Okay. And lysis, what is the meaning of lysis? What is the meaning of lysis? Lysis. Okay, let me tell you the meaning of lysis also. Okay. See, lysis means breakdown. Lysis means what? Breakdown. Breakdown. ठीक है? Okay. So lysis means what? Breakdown. Breakdown. Are you understanding this? It's a very simple one. Basically, what we are trying to understand here is that lysis is nothing but breakdown. Lysis is nothing but breakdown. Okay. Okay. So have you written this? See, chemical effects of electric current are nothing but they are chemical changes that happen when electricity flows through some liquid. So suppose let us say if I have certain liquid in my, suppose let's say in some glass and electricity flows through it, it's basically chemical effects of electric current. But some reaction is happening. That chemical reaction name is electrolysis. Okay. And the liquid which you are using is nothing but called as electrolyte, right? Okay, okay. But don't you think that to pass electricity, we need something, right? We need something. Suppose let us take one this thing, a glass. Okay, we had so or maybe a container. So this is our container, right? Okay. Now there is some liquid which is kept inside. Okay, there is some liquid which is kept inside. Now, don't you think if you want to pass electricity, you will require something? You will require something. Okay, so you need to pass it through some materials which can conduct electricity. So you need some good conductors inside it, correct? You need some good conductors inside it. Okay, so let me put some conductors inside. Okay, so this is one of the conductors which I am putting. So these are the two conductors which I am putting inside. For what? For electricity flow. So that I can transfer electricity to this liquid. Okay, so let me name them. Let me name them. This is what? This is electrolyte. Okay, this what is this? This is conductor 1. This is conductor 1 and this is conductor 2. Conductor 2. We are using this to pass electricity through this liquid. Okay. Now can we connect this to suppose let us say electric current? Can we connect this to a battery? Let us connect this to a battery. Okay, so this is our battery. See, this is our battery. Okay, so basically this is our battery and this is our conductor 1, conductor 2 and we are using that battery to suppose let's say pass current through that particular liquid. Okay, okay. So this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal, positive and negative. Okay, now you have to understand one thing. Now what are these conductors made up of? Metals. Any metal you can use. Conductors, you can use any metal, no issue. Any metal can be used. Any metal. Okay, any metal. You can take any metal, no issue. It can be copper, silver, gold, anything, depends, whatever you want to use. But this electrode is connected to positive. This electrode is connected to positive, so it must have a name. It must have a name. See, we need to give different names for both the conductors. See, both are electrodes. Both are basically called as electrodes itself. This is also called as electrode. This is also called as electrode only. This is also called electrode. इसको भी electrode ही बोलते हैं, but we need some special names, no? Okay, so as this is connected to positive, we are going to call it anode. We are going to call it anode. Who is connected to whom? Positive. Who is connected to positive? See, this is connected to positive. You can see, right? Let me just show you. Let me just show you. See, this particular electrode is connected to positive, so we are going to call it anode. So hence we are going to call it anode. Are you understanding this? In the same way, this is connected to negative, right? Okay, this is connected to negative. So we are going to call it cathode. We are going to call it cathode. Okay, let us write down the name there. Cathode. Cathode. Okay. Okay, fine. Understood. Understood to this point. For example, like this is your cathode as it is connected to negative terminal of the battery. This is connected to negative and this is positive. So can we just have some short version of this? Can we just have shorter version of this so that it will be easy for us to remember? Okay. So let us just revise this. The first point is anode. The first point is anode and the second point is cathode, right? Chalo. Now you tell me who is connected to what? Anode is connected to what exactly? Positive or negative terminal? It's connected to positive terminal. Positive terminal of the battery, right? Positive terminal of battery. Agreed? Agreed. And cathode is connected to whom? Negative terminal of the battery. Cathode is connected to negative terminal of battery. Fine? Okay. Correct? Okay. Now can I give you a trick? A normal trick for this? A normal trick to remember? Okay, chalo. Can I just give you a simple trick for this to remember? That will be easy for you. Okay, so the trick is, you must be knowing the state Andhra Pradesh, right? Yes, you might be knowing the state Andhra Pradesh. Yes, heard about it. Andhra Pradesh, obviously, correct. Andhra Pradesh, right? Okay, okay. So A is nothing but anode. A is nothing but anode. P is nothing but positive. P is nothing but positive. Okay. So will you be able to remember this particular trick? Andhra Pradesh, a very simple trick to remember. A stands for anode, P stands for positive. So that means anode is always connected to positive. Correct? Okay, tell me in the comment section, are you able to understand this? Will you be able to remember this? That Andhra Pradesh is one of the tricks for anode. Reverse logic you can apply for cathode. Reverse logic. If anode is connected to positive, then cathode must be connected to negative. Okay, you just remember one. You just remember one. That's it. Okay, so write down in the comment section, have you written this particular trick? Have you written this? No, Gayatri, they are not charged. They are just normal. See, suppose this is one of the scales I have. This is made of stainless steel. For example, if this is made up of some metal, suppose let us say this is made up of copper. This is one of the electrodes which I can use. Electrodes can be anything. Even your spoons can be used as electrodes. Anything. Yes, yes. Those are not charged. We need to connect them to a particular battery, and only then they will get charged. Okay? Are you understanding this? So technically you can use anything which conducts electricity as an electrode. Anything which conducts electricity basically made up of metal. So you can use even suppose let's say this is one of the suppose let's say this just generally is used for clothes basically. So even these kinds of suppose let us say uh, yes, these ones or even these kind of binder clips can also be used as electrodes. Even binder clips can be used. This one. See, these binder clips can also be used as electrodes. Okay? Binder clips. These can also be used as electrodes. Okay. I will do one thing. I will do one thing. See, suppose if you are attending it seriously, I can even show you how it is done, like practically. Even practically, I can show you what are cathodes, what are anodes, and even suppose like how to conduct that particular experiment. Even I can do that. Okay, but would you be sincere enough to attend, suppose, let us say, those sessions from 3rd January? I can do that. I can do that for you. I can even literally show you with experiments. You know that, right? One of my major areas is practicals. So obviously, I can show you through experiment, this one. I don't need to just teach it. I can actually show you. Okay, fine. Okay. So, will you be able to give extra time then from 3rd January? Some extra time? If you can give some time extra from 3rd January, We are going to start a new batch, and so on 3rd January, if you can give extra time, I am willing to show you some those experiments also. Experiments will definitely be taught. Experiments will definitely be shown with your theory lessons of course, and quizzes and notes. Okay, theory lessons will definitely be done, notes and quizzes. Okay, is it fine? Okay, so can I expect your full cooperation from 3rd January then? Okay, just write down in the comment section if I can get your full cooperation from 3rd January, and I will make sure that you are learning with a very good experience. Like, it will be out of the world and you will be able to enjoy it more. Yes, even Menti quizzes, same thing. So we will launch this batch specially for class 8, and it will definitely include even quizzes. Quizzes will be there, obviously. Menti quiz. We will include Menti quiz as well. Okay, so we will end our session today on this note, and we will start a new batch from 3rd January. And kindly please do attend these sessions then. These will be very helpful for your learning process, learning curve. And I will make sure to include lots of fun videos so that you'll be able to understand through experiments also. Not just theory, but experiments as well. चलो फिर आज का session let us end on this note, and we'll meet in the upcoming session. Fine. So I will, if there is any update, I will let you know on the group. ठीक है? I will let you know on the group the update of 3rd January, and we will start at that particular date. चलो then. Bye bye. See you. And happy new year before I end up my session. Wish you a very happy new year, and do have a proper resolution of studying more, making your parents proud, and making your career grow properly in this upcoming session. Fine. And this new academic year. Okay, so let us end our session for the day, and we'll meet by 3rd January for our new batch of science. Okay, then bye bye.